Welcome! In front of me I have Yamay SW022 Smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to set an image as a watch face on this watch. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or image as a watch face. Before we start, if you want to set an image as a watch face on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the OnlyFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the OnlyFit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. After you open the app, you should see the home page. Now tap on the device icon, and once you open the device page, you should see your SW022 on the device page right here. It should say connected. Now tap on the dial center, and here tap on custom dial option. Now tap on one of the dial, and here we can customize our custom watch face. First, let's select the image we want to use as a watch face. So tap on select image, and you have two options: a photograph or select from the album. If you select photograph option, it will open the camera application. You can take a photo and use it as a watch face. If you select from the album, it will open the file manager on your phone, and you can select the photo from a phone. I'm gonna use the second option, but you can use the first one if you like to. So let's select the picture. I'm gonna open the download folder, tap on the picture to select it. And now we need to crop the image. Basically, we need to select the part of a picture as a watch face because whole picture won't fit. And to crop the image, you can make this frame bigger. We can move it around. And basically, whatever is gonna be in this highlighted area of the frame is gonna be on our watch face. So position the frame the way you like, and then tap on crop. Here we have a preview of our watch face. You can change the color of the text if you want to. You can also use the color palette, like that. And once you're done, you can tap on synchronous dial and sync your watch face to your watch. So we need to wait until it's done uploading to the watch. Okay, and once it's done synchronizing with your watch, the watch face will be applied to your watch, as you can see. And now you can close the app, and that's how you set an image as a watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.